Hi everybody, hope you're having a great day. Thinking of doing some audio reviews on the Zoom H2N, which we've used for quite some time now. Some of the equipment we've got in the kit bag. We've got the Zoom H1, which we acquired recently. Nice little piece of kit. We're also going to be doing the Rode video mic on some of our investigations, and we have been using them quite a bit. We got the Rode microphone again, boom microphone, one of two. The Sennheiser branded microphone, which we use for, or will be using quite a bit on interviews. That's another piece of kit we've got. We've got the audio mixer, and we've got the new Zoom H4n, which we're going to be using quite a bit now. Also going to be testing lavalier microphones. We just want to see what's the best piece of kit that we've got, which sounds the best. Get your opinions on what you think sounds the best, and that's what we'll end up going with, I think. But it's going to be a difficult choice with all the accessories and bits and bobs that we've got. We've got the camcorders pretty much sorted now. It's just the audio that we've been lacking. We've been using external microphones, but not to the quality of the stuff that we've got now. So looking forward to a new era with better audio. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to add, rate and subscribe. Check our Facebook pages and all our social media networking sites, and check us out at www.stokehaunted.com.